Hola y buenos días. Soy el señor Morris. Soy el maestro de español. ¿Cómo están? ¿Están bien? ¿Más o menos? ¿O mal? Espero que estén muy bien. Yeah. Today, we're going to practice some of the things that we've been talking about so far concerning la escuela. And we're going to be practicing some of the questions. So I'd like for everyone to pick a partner so that we can practice the questions and answers by repeating along with me. But before we begin, let's sing our greeting song. You should know this song pretty well now, so canten conmigo. Buenos días, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, I thank you, very well, I thank you, and you, and you. Muy bien. Well, let's begin. Everyone choose a partner, okay? Now, teachers, you know your class best, so you can pair students up or just have all of the students repeat along with me, okay? Whatever works best for you. Okay, ready? Let's begin. I'll tell you what, whoever is shorter in the pairs goes first today. Okay, so first student, ask your partner. ¿Vas a la escuela? Go ahead and ask him. Let me hear you. ¿Vas a la escuela? Okay, now partners, you can answer the question with one word. Do you remember what that is? Sí. Go ahead and say it. Okay, now, first person. Ask your partner now. ¿En qué año vas? Can you say that? Let me hear you. ¿En qué año vas? Now, second partner, you can answer according to what grade you are in. You might answer en primero, if this is the grade that you're in. Or if you're in this grade, you might say en segundo. En segundo. Or some of you might even be in this grade. And you'd say en tercero. Go ahead and say that if that's your grade. Or some of you might even be in this grade. And you'll say, voy al kinder. Okay, so you answer according to what grade you're in. Okay, now first person, you ask your partner, ¿cómo se llama tu maestro o tu maestra? And you can just choose one of those if you want. ¿Cómo se llama tu maestro o tu maestra? Okay. Now, partner, you answer. Remember how to say that? You say, se llama, and then you say the name of your teacher. Okay? Se llama, and then you say your teacher's name. Now, first person, you go ahead and ask, ¿cómo se llama el director? O la directora, if it's a woman principal, right? So go ahead and say that. ¿Cómo se llama el director? O la directora, if it's a man or a woman. Okay, now, again, partners, you just answer by saying, se llama, let me hear you, and then say the principal's name. Okay? Muy bien. Well, I tell you what, let's try that one more time. Now, this time, if you asked the questions before, if you were the first person, let your partner ask you, and you can answer the questions. Okay, now you ready? Second student, you ask your partner, say, ¿vas a la escuela? Let me hear you. Okay, now partners, you can answer with this question. You can answer this question with just the one word. Somebody asks you, ¿vas a la escuela? Do you go to school? Do you remember how to answer? Sí. Okay, very good. Okay, now second person, it's your turn to ask your partner, ¿en qué año vas? And let me hear you say that. Okay. Now, partner, remember that you can answer according to what grade you were in. You can say, en primero, if you were in this grade. So go ahead and answer if that's your grade. If you're in another grade, say, en segundo. Okay, en segundo. Some of you might even be in this grade. En tercero, right? Or some of you may even be in this grade still, and in that case, you'll answer en kinder, right? Okay, so you answer that according to where you are. Now, second person, you ask your partner, and remember this one. ¿Cómo se llama tu maestro? O tu maestra if it's a woman. Okay, so you ask them now. ¿Cómo se llama tu maestro? O tu maestra. Now, partner, here you go. You answer by saying, se llama, and then you say your teacher's name. Can you do that? Let me hear you. Se llama. Okay. Now, the second person asks, ¿cómo se llama el director o la directora? Again, partners, it depends on if it's a man or a woman. ¿Cómo se llama el director? And the partners, you will answer by saying, se llama, and then say the principal's name. Okay? Muy bien. You're going to get another chance to practice these things with this video. If you'd like to, try to say the words as you watch. Ahora, presten atención y repitan todos.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Luis. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Sandra. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Alejandra. ¿En qué año vas?
En segundo. ¿Y tú?
En primero.
¿Y
¿Y
tú?
tú? ¿En qué año vas?
Voy al kinder.
Hola, Sandra. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Bien, gracias. ¿Vas a tu salón?
Sí.
¿Cómo se llama tu maestra?
Se llama Olivia. ¿Cómo se llama tu maestra?
Se llama Lila.
Buenos días, señor Matos.
Buenos días, niñas.
El señor Matos es el director.
Sí.
Adiós, Alejandra.
Hasta luego, Sandra.
Este es mi salón. Aquí están los pupitres. Aquí está mi lápiz. Aquí está el papel. Aquí están los libros.
All right. Now, last class, we started to talk about some of the things that we just saw in that video. We said you probably have them in your classroom, en tu salón. Let's go ahead and look at those again right now. This place where you sit. Do you remember what that's called? It's the pupitre. And I like that word. That just sounds so cool. Can you say that? Pupitre. All right. Another one that we talked about was this. You use this to write with. And it's called un lápiz. Can everyone say that? Lápiz. And that's just if you have one of them, right? If you have more than one, they're called lápices. That's pretty much the same, isn't it? Lápices. Can everyone say that? Another thing that I bet you have in your classroom is what you use to write on. You use your lápices to write on papel. Papel. And that looks kind of like the word paper. Papel. Well, instead of an R at the end, it's got an L. Can everybody say that? Papel. And something else that I bet everybody has in your classroom are these. That's right, you can study out of these. You can read. You can look at the pictures, find information. These are the libros. Can everyone say that? Libros. That's right. And I bet you have a lot of those in your classroom. You may even have some of them at your house. I know that I do. Now that you know the names of many of the things in your school, you can practice naming them and counting them in Spanish. Do you still remember your numbers from 1 to 10? Well, let's see. I tell you what, let's go ahead and sing them now. Canten conmigo los números. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. All right, very good. Now, I'd like for you to review once more with this video the numbers. Ahora, pongan atención y repitan todos.
Los números 1, 2,
3, 4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
Muy bien. Y ahora vamos a repasar con la hoja de actividades. Let's go ahead and review with our activity sheet. It's called ¿Cuántos tengo? ¿Cuántos tengo? Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and start by writing my name up here at the top. Roberto. And that's my Spanish name, right? Because my name in English is Robert. So Roberto is what I'm called in Spanish. So you guys go ahead and use your Spanish names when you're writing up here. Now the instructions say, count the objects shown in Spanish with your teacher, and then write the number on the blank. Okay, well let's go ahead and start with this one. ¿Cuántos pupitres tengo? What are pupitres? That's right, the desks. So, ¿cuántos? How many? Pupitres, desks, tengo, do I have? How many desks do I have? And the answer is tengo, I have. Oh, let's see, that's blank. I guess we're going to have to count to find out. Will you help me count here? Let's go ahead and start. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Tengo cuatro pupitres. Let's go ahead and write that down. You know, cuatro looks like this, and in Spanish, we spell it like this. Cu, a, tro. Cuatro. Tengo cuatro pupitres. Ah. ¿Cuántos libros tengo? ¿Cuántos libros tengo? And here we see the libros. ¿Cuántos libros tengo? How many books do I have? Well, will you guys help me count them here? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Tengo siete. And we spell it like this. Siete. Siete. Tengo siete libros. Right? ¿Cuántos lápices tengo? ¿Cuántos lápices tengo? Aquí están los lápices. ¿Cuántos? How many lápices, pencils, tengo? Do I have? And the answer is tengo, I have. And help me count here, guys. Uno, dos. Tengo dos lápices. And we'll spell it like this. Tengo dos lápices. How many do you have? And this question. ¿Cuántas hojas de papel tengo? Aquí está el papel. What do we call it if we just have one paper? We call it a sheet of paper. So how many sheets of paper do I have? Well, help me count them here, would you please? Una, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Tengo ocho hojas de papel. So go ahead and write that on your sheets. Tengo ocho hojas de papel. Okay, very good. Well, we went over all of the things that we've been talking about so far in this unit today. I hope that it's getting easier for you the more we do it. Remember to keep practicing in your class, and instead of telling your teacher you need paper, try saying that you need papel, and see if the teacher understands. ¿Saben qué? Ya es hora de la despedida. Canten conmigo la canción. Adiós, queridos amigos, que les vaya muy, muy bien. Adiós, queridos amigos, y cuídense también. Adiós, hasta luego.